Hi everybody, Nick Skiba here with a beautiful 2015 Citadel Durango. This thing is loaded up and nice. Check it out. Alright, we got tan leather interior, gold outside. This one has a sunroof, and as we work our way around here, you're going to see it's got the touchscreen radio and front and rear heaters. This has it looks like it's got a DVD player here. I'll have to show you all of that here in just a moment. Pretty cool. 49,000 miles. You can see that in the center of the screen there. Hands-free Bluetooth. I don't know what else. Keyless entry, push-button start. Nice alloy wheels, polished. Third row seat, of course, is what a Durango gives you. So there's your third row right there. And let's see here. Let's move our way down. There it goes. Backup sensors and beepers. It's all-wheel drive. We have, again, like to always show off the passenger seat so you see it's nice. Okay, and then I'm going to flip this right up here. You see this here? DVD players in the seats. Pretty cool. So we're going to go to the back seat and show you that. Right? Nice. Lots of leg room. And here's the cool feature. We have center row captain's chairs. That is sweetness. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful rig. There is one little ding on the hood, and that is it. You could find yourself very happy in this Durango Citadel here at Snowy Mountain Motors.